How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. We're doing something weird today. My skin is already prepped. We'll be going with the white base today. Once you're done doing that, you go in with your setting powder and your powder puff, and you press. You see the marks on my face? From my Spice Market palette, I'm going to use this shade with this flat brush. And I'm going to place it right here. And you go gently like this. Place the product. And that's what you get. Now let's do the other side with the same technique. Like so, as I'm trying to give my face a certain shape. We're gonna bring in the color closer to the center of my face, so add more over here. I'm gonna go do my eyebrows and I'll be right back. This is how we're gonna do the eye look. We're gonna use this. I'm gonna go with Chasing Waterfalls, one of my favorite shades from this palette, which is this little blue shade over here. I'm gonna use that color. Before you go in, powder your face. Once you look like a powder donut, we're going to use that color and we're going to add it to this little part over here. So then with a fluffy brush, you're going to blend it out and diffuse it. Now we're going to use a darker shade. We're going to go in my Suva Beauty palette with Dancing Shoes, this little blue shade right there. And with this, we're gonna deepen this part in here and blend it out. And that we'll be going in with Milkshake, this white shade over here. I'm gonna go just around the edges, diffuse it a little bit more. Once that's done, we're gonna create this sort of liner. I'm trying to make it angled just a little bit, but not too far up, as I have hooded eyes and I can't have like a full eyeliner moment. Thanks, hooded eyes. Gently, it's just a rough outline, and now I'm gonna go to the other side. So with that, with Dancing Shoes, we're gonna add detail to the outer V, right here, like this. We're gonna drag it just a little bit down here. So again, with the same trick, we're gonna use the white shade and you're gonna diffuse the lower part and you're gonna give it shape. Same with this other side to give it a certain shape. And back and forth, just keep going back and forth with your deep shade and the white to diffuse the colors. Pull this color over here further down. We're giving some shape to the nose. This tutorial should be called how to do your face with just one brush. So So I'm gonna keep diffusing this and I'll be right back. Now remember, we still have the setting powder down here. We're gonna flick it away. So let's go into highlight. I'm gonna use this shimmery shade. There we go, just like that. And with the same brush, I'm gonna add light to my inner corners. This Californication, we're gonna use that to add more color, more highlight. You can never have enough. I want to use eyeliner to give more definition to my inner corner. This is by Wet n Wild and there's a waterproof one. This is like the black is black. With a little brush, we're gonna give an outline to our mouth, like so. Now that we have that set in place, we're looking a little rough, not gonna lie. We're gonna add this black lipstick by, this is also Wet n Wild, like this. Once we're done with that, we're gonna add some Weirdo by Jeffree Star on top of it. I am almost completely out of this color. To mattify that, I am about to show you how I do my bits of black blood. This time with a glossy eyeliner, like this. I'm gonna add mascara to the lashes. Now let me go find some lashes to put on and trim. So now that I have everything done, I decided to add black to my high points, to the high points of my shoulders, because why not? And now with this fluffy brush, I'm gonna use this blue shade. Push is falling everywhere. This little blue shade, like so. And now you have bluish shoulders. Though I do have a palette that I can use for highlight with blue shade. My Holographic Face and Cheek palette by Sephora. I'm gonna use this color. It has like a purple sheen to it. But oh, see, you see, it brings out the blue. We're gonna go in with this shade, this one over here, and add more light to this. And with your hand, and I'm just gonna rub it, and then with your hands like this, which you can add to the rest of your black if you're feeling it. So this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you're new here and you want to see more videos from me, please subscribe down below. Make sure you ring the little bell. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram at LadyLilith1. And yeah, see you guys around. Bye.